Welcome to my video. In this video, I will discuss about common fixes for your Outlook bugs and errors. The first fix for your Outlook bugs is to check your internet connectivity. Explanation of this is a disturbed connection can lead to errors like 0x800CCC0F or 0x8004210A and 0x8004210A. Avoid low bandwidth internet connection and use a reliable internet connection with reasonable downloading or uploading speed may fix your Outlook issues. The second fix is to avoid accessing suspicious emails. Emails or email attachments from unknown senders can be potential threats to your system. For instance, a virus infected email can crash your Outlook program and corrupt several important system files. You can use a reliable antivirus program to block external threats, or you can simply delete suspicious emails in the first place. Also, take care to use the latest version of operating system with necessary security features. Third fix is to check the antivirus settings. For this, you can check your antivirus for email scanning settings. Some configurational changes or default features of antivirus can restrict the connectivity of your Outlook to the server. You can either manually disable such features from your antivirus programs or temporarily uninstall the antivirus from your machine. Also, don't hesitate to contact your antivirus provider if you need any help. Fourth fix is to reinstall Outlook. Reinstalling your Outlook client can fix installation errors and common software failures. In case of Outlook crash, reinstalling the application is the most recommended method to fix the issue. But you must remember that while reinstalling your Outlook, you should restart your operating system first. So it restarting can remove your logs files and temporary files of your previous version of your Outlook. Our fifth fix is to change the server timeout settings. For this, you can manually increase the time span of your establishing connectivity of your Outlook program to the server. Typically, a less server timeout period can through various errors. Follow the instructions given below to change your server timeout settings. To do this, first launch your Outlook and navigate to Files and Info. Then click on Account Settings. Choose POP3 account and click the Change button. In the Change button window, click More Settings. Go to the Advanced tabs and increase the server timeout period. In this picture, I am showing where to locate the server timeouts. The box in red box, I am showing the server timeout setting was set to 1 minute or long. You can increase the timeout server to many minutes as well. In this picture, you can also see the path of that server timeout settings tab. Our sixth fix is to clear or move email from Outlook folder. The main reason of this is the data overloading can be a reason for your Outlook malfunction. Clear unnecessary files from Outbox and trash folder to optimize the performance of your Outlook application. Also try to use necessary Outlook features and features to enhance the performance of Outlook as well as Windows. Our last fix is rectify PST corruption by third-party tool. In case your Outlook PST is corrupt or damaged, you can always look for a third-party resource to fix the issue. Inbox repair tool like Scan PST is the feature usually provided by Microsoft. However, for severely corrupt PST files, it is recommended to use a third-party repair tool. In this regard, Most people recommend kernel for PST repair tool in order to save your time. You can use any other recommended third party tool as well. I hope you like my video, and I am hoping that while liking my video you can clicking the subscribe button, and also you will press the button as well so you can receive my videos like this in a recommended order.